Let's see. Let's do some more. Whatever. I need something to drink. So, excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. So you have a good night. Yeah. Something I wish I probably hadn't could play with because it bored to fucking death. And my tongue's real dry. Oh no, I'm a pervert. Hey, well, maybe if you suck my dick a little more often, I wouldn't be sexing about sex all the time. You know what I mean? Hey, girls. Wow. This is one where, oh, cool. Where are we? This is some weird shit. I like the alleyways, you know what I mean? Especially the ones in Venice, they're wicked cool because, you know, they got all like gardens and stuff, and there's like trees and vegetation, all the shit you don't have everywhere in fucking LA, you know, except in people's private little areas, which sucks. No forests, no trees, you know, the grass is turned off at fucking 11 p.m. It's kind of a bummer. But then again, I don't know, it seemed to take a jump up earlier tonight because the other day I went to do my laundry. There was this girl I was talking to. Some bad shit happened to her, so, you know, I was giving her the, you know, the positive outlooks on life and don't worry about it. Fucking, if you have any more problems, let me know and I'll kill the scumbag for you. And then she was supposed to meet me at the laundromat. I went to get the fucking laundry soap. I come back and the laundromat's closed and nobody's seen her since. So I went down there today and said, you know, what's the deal? Fucking, you know, and the guy's like, oh, and he just gave me some dumb fucking excuse about, oh, we're closed right now. Yeah, no shit, you're closed right now. You know, I guess he didn't understand the wrench in my fucking hand. Because, I mean, it's not like it's some kind of thing where they can go down there, look around it and be like, you know, that's not going to get anybody back or make anything square. Because that's not the way fucking it works. You can't lock somebody in a cage and be like, okay, everybody's even now, because it's not fucking even. All it does is ruin everybody's life and make everybody miserable. You know, what's even is fucking getting the guy and torturing him until he gives up every name he knows and then fucking killing him and then going and getting all the names he gave up and doing the same thing to them until they have no more names to give and then getting rid of them. And doing it until there's no more fucking people to worry about like that.